28th May blackened the clean countenance of my calendar, and ruined the days of future into rubble. On that day, we turned our back to our survival. The sneaking era entangled around our feet, and we could never rise from that period. Now, the smoke will spurt up from our well-furnished houses. A dreadful explosion perforated the existence our dream. Now we are alive, but with the dread of death. A half-burnt corpse of a young solitaire haunts me in my sleeps. It had in its cold hands a crumbled picture of a damsel who resides on some remote unknown seaside, and in her golden eyes to wait is inscribed. We are a thorn in the feet of humanity that is bent upon to lose harvest of the centuries. May 28th, the day of Pakistani atomic explosion.